Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and the Moose is loose. Right now we are on DEGA.org. Let's dive right into it. I want to share with you my reward update. So it is Monday, August 28th, almost August 29th. So it's 11:45 p.m. So at the time of watching this video, it's probably September already. So it could be. So what we're going to do is just go into this dashboard. We're going to go over the accumulated rewards. We'll do some simple math and yeah, we'll get you guys a quick update. If you have not seen this video, it was posted 5 hours ago now. So this one's called the DEGA Rewards ISPO update. Definitely check that out. In there I show you step by step how to check out your rewards, how to identify and basically scan for your stake key. So that's going to be vital. So to get to that page, you're going to go to rewards dashboard. Okay. So I already have mine open. I just want to make sure that it's loading. So I've already inputted all of my stake addresses. So definitely, if you don't know how to find your stake key, you can do that in this video. So let's do a little bit of math. Maybe I can get the calculator app going as well, just to make sure that we're on point here. So this is for the Cardano ISPO. They are going to be doing the DOT as well very soon. So as you can see here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got, I believe, 6 wallets, but these are the ones that have at least 1,000 ADA in it. At least the majority of them. So we got the big 3 here. They have at least 1,000, and I got 2 small ones. So we've got 3 main wallets, and that's what's accumulating the most. So let's add things up. So we got 3,430 already from my 3,000 ADA wallet. So I've already got that back. So that's really cool. So again, instead of earning some ADA for delegating to the ISPO, it's the DEGA 1 ISPO. You are going to receive DEGA for reward. So it's a great way for them to build their project. So we got 3,430 plus 117 plus 14,175, and we'll do a rough estimate plus let's say 440, just to keep it similar here. So it looks like we've got 18,161 accumulated rewards. So you could imagine that if you have, for example, how many tokens is that roughly? I got about 20,000 ADA that I'm delegating with. So let's just call it about 20,000. It's maybe even a little bit more. I have other wallets. But if you have 20,000 ADA that you've been delegating, you could expect around 18,000 in rewards. Now keep in mind, I'm also holding, so for example, in my Nami wallet, I am also holding a lot of Meld and Kopi. So because they have a partnership, DEGA, they partnered with Kopi and Meld. You could either stake, I believe it's 1,600 Kopi. I'm going to make sure right here. I tend to forget. So yeah, it is 3,500 Meld or 1,600 Kopi. You get a 5% bonus reward. Now, I always tell you guys that the best thing you can do is just to delegate and hold it there till February. So I believe you'll be able to receive this in the form of an airdrop, or it will be claimable by the end of the ISPO duration, which is, I believe, 42 epochs. So it's hard for me to remember all this, but if you want to get more information on DEGA, what it's all about, go to the channel, subscribe and like, and you can check out all the videos. So I'm starting to accumulate a lot more. You know, we've got little YouTube shorts. What is DEGA? And this is going to be a big project in my opinion. So nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all educational. The moose is just getting loose. So again, new episodes Monday through Friday, 2 p.m. EST. I'm sticking to my word. We've got almost 300 videos. We're on our way. We've eclipsed 1,000 subs. When did we start? I wonder if it would even show when I started this channel. So November 20th of 2022. So it hasn't even been a year. And yeah, I'm I'm hoping to get to the point where maybe we even have 365 videos by November. That would be really cool. So it's nice to see. It has not been that long. Okay, so definitely check out our other videos, our other content. We also have a free Cardano mini course. So we have a link for you in the description below, and you will learn what is Cardano. You'll learn about wallet setup, sending, receiving, staking, yield farming, and more. We also have that video here on the channel. But if you want the downloadable links, so you get the videos that you can download, watch it on your own time, and you also get access to the workbook. So it's a custom workbook I built, and we also have links to other things in there for you. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And right now, the price of Bitcoin, let's do a quick refresh, 26,000, let's say, pretty much on the dot. 1.5 trillion in market cap, Bitcoin dominance, 48%. So, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum account for nearly 7%, 70% of the market cap. And Cardano, it's a great opportunity in my eyes. So that being said, everybody, the moose is loose. Comment down below, how much DEGA have you accumulated thus far? Cheers.